show you how to make my version of acai bowl. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but okay, you go to the store, guys. Basically, like you could get at Jamba, Nugget, whatever. Usually, what they put is just like these little fruit packets of, you know, the actual acai fruit and a banana. But that just doesn't cut it for me because when I'm gonna do something healthy, I like to put as much produce as I can, and also, like, you know how they list the ingredients. They probably say, you know, they add blueberries, they add strawberries. Most likely, that's probably just the toppings they're listing. So, why I like doing it at home, you could add whatever you want. So, I'm gonna add some of the fruit packets. They have it in, well, okay, I bought mine at Sprouts, and they had sweetened. They had some with some, like, infused with orange juice. So, it's up to you. Mine's unsweetened. I'll just add honey as a sweetener. Yeah. I'll also list, like, the measuring, the caption, because usually I just, like, eyeball it. Okay, so I have here just some random berries I have at my house. So you have here some raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. I don't think or recommend you go out of your way and get like what I'm using. I mean, just add whatever you want. Like, it's your acai bowl. That's what's great about making it at home. You could add whatever you want, whatever fruits you like. Oh, that reminds me. I'm also gonna add kale. That's an optional ingredient though, because for me, I don't really like kale like that, but when you add it in a fruit, or a smoothie, or like, I don't know, something sweet like this, you don't taste it. So I really recommend that, but it's literally just up to you. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, these are frozen if you didn't already tell. Okay. So you have this. Now, you can add regular milk. You can add orange juice. You can add water. I'm going to add almond milk just because me and my sister, we're on that healthy grind. So, we're not doing dairy. We're not doing, just a bunch of stuff. I'm going to add some honey. Okay. Now, this kale was like, it's like 88 cents at Sprouts, so definitely recommend going to Sprouts. Actually, everything I got here is from Sprouts. Anyways, by the way, keep in mind, totally optional. You could just do the original, traditional, like, acai fruit with the banana. Just saying, but you don't taste these. Anyways, this is chia seeds. I feel like lots of people don't know what chia seeds are. It's just like this power food. Like, it's so good for you guys, so good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Okay. You don't have to add too much. I mean, you don't even taste it, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pulverize this and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is the end result. It's freaking delicious. I already tried it. So good. Okay, recap. I added kale. It's I don't taste it. I would have told you guys, FYI, I'm gonna taste it. You can't even tell because it's still purple, you know? I would expect to see some green, but you don't. Okay, right here is the granola. I like to add it on the bottom for some texture, and I like to add it on top. Look at that. By the way, guys, this is fully vegan, so in case you guys are vegan, I know lots of my friends are, so this one's for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna add in one more scoop, just easier to use a scoop because it's like ice cream. Okay. So here are my toppings. You could add whatever you want. I mean, it doesn't have to look cute. I mean, as long as it tastes good in my book. Okay. You guys could also, it doesn't have to be like a berry thing, you know, mine's obviously pretty berry. You can make it orangey, like use oranges. You could use just whatever you guys want, basically. Okay, so here's raspberries. And you got the blueberries. And okay, where do I put the granola? Right here. Okay. All right. This is basically it. It's freaking delicious. Just try it. You have nothing to lose. It's so good. I promise you guys will never go to Jamba Juice or Nugget or wherever y'all go after you make it. It's so good. Oh, okay. Hi guys, my name is Dina. No, just don't. They know your fucking name, okay? Now, oh shoot, I forgot to add the kale. Our attention whore.
This is hard.
How do you like it, Dina? Bruh, it's bomb. It is bomb. Thank you.
Of course.
You're the best.
I know.